The barbecue set it at 500. Not at 350, 500, and it's going to get hotter. That's what you need to grill something. There's no oil on these loin lamb chops. They're just salt and pepper, and that fat side, that's going down first. Keep it closed all the time. You don't want to lose any of the heat. So this is going to take a few minutes. We'll close this. It's a little over 500. That took a few minutes because we like our fat crispy. So now, put it on another part of the grill. I'm going to leave it like that for a few minutes. No oil is necessary, as you can see. It's not necessary, and you don't need the flavor of the olive oil or any kind of oil. And all it's going to do is like burn in there. Not necessary. That was like 2 minutes. So now we're going to turn this like so on another part, like so. So we get beautiful marks on there. Crisscross. If you notice, the meat didn't stick. Oil's not necessary because the grill is very hot. That's been about another 2 minutes, so now I'm not going to mark that side. Look, crisscross, very nice, right? This is only going to take a few more minutes. These were 2 4-ounce lamb chops. We usually eat 2 a piece, but tonight, since I have that pasta from the recipe I just made with the vegetables in it, we're just going to have 1 a piece and see if it suffices. Keeping this at 500 plus, almost 520, whatever. Even a small grill like this can get hot. And now we're ready. See that? We like them rare. And that's how we're going to eat it. That didn't take long. Look how pretty they look. Try this method and you'll be happy. You want healthy? This is going to be healthy. And it's a complete meal. You're not going to do this for your friends. I mean, you're not going to do this for yourself. You'll probably do it for someone that you're fond of. You want to impress them. And maybe you'll replace the sardines with shrimps. But sardines are inexpensive compared to shrimps, and they're very healthy. So first I'm putting in here the sardines that come in olive oil. So why do I want to get rid of the olive oil? I don't. I want the olive oil. Everything in here is healthy. You don't have to mash it up too much. If it wasn't healthy, I would be using mayonnaise. But this is plain Greek yogurt. And along with that, more noise, huh? Okay. Fresh lemon juice. Big grind black pepper. I like pepper, so I'm putting a lot. And then we have all of these diced up goodies that are healthy for you. So there's going to be a lot of crunch in this salad. May look like there's too much vegetables. Vegetables are healthy. And it kind of takes away from the strong flavor of the sardines, which some people try to avoid. Me, I love the sardines. So, what you gotta do is just mix this up. This is a main course. Plenty to eat. It'll fill you up. You won't feel stuffed. No carbs in this. And that's it. How simple. Where's my scoop? Going to place this on the spinach. Well, I made this for myself a few days ago. But what I did, I chopped up the spinach and I put it in with the mixture. So we're looking for presentation, and I don't think the chopped up spinach inside is good presentation. Now after I did that, now I'll take a scoop and put the rest, almost all of it, like I said, this is a meal. Well, I could have put some more on the bottom. That's what's left. Now, top this off with some scallions that are cut on a slant. And we have some more cucumber. So we're going to finish this with some cucumbers. Like so. The mandarin oranges are sitting on cucumber halves. I cut so many, I said, well, I might as well use them all up. So we do this. And then a little bit that's left in my hand, I'm going to eat right now. Thank you. Anyway, let's get a close-up of this. Pardon me, my mouth is full. There you go. Is that enough to eat? That's plenty to eat for a dinner. So I hope you enjoy that. Healthy eating.